Hello, this is Muta from Muta's Soul Kitchen. So, this week I am super excited to be spending time in London. So, to celebrate, I will be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes, white chocolate pudding pop English milk scones. This is such a delicious recipe that you are going to absolutely love and enjoy. So, just a brief intro to our tasty ingredients. I will be using a tub of baking batter at room temperature, my favorite yogurt whey by Yoplait, coconut flavored, Nestle's Nido fortified milk powder, which can be purchased at Walmart at the International Food section, whipping cream, Godiva white chocolate pudding, Marie biscuits, also known as Marie cookies, condensed milk, baking powder, 2 eggs, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. As always, these ingredients can be purchased at your local grocery store. So without further ado, let's get started. So at this point, the last touch is to add a cup or 2 of sun-dried raisins. You may add more if you like. You can also use dried cranberries as another option. With clean hands, mix well to combine. So at this point, place the dough or pastry on a flour-dusted surface. Continue turning and rolling it on the surface without dividing it. Lightly and patiently, pat the dough or pastry with your hands and fingers to create a thick pizza like this. Alright, now place as many cookies as you like in a blender to create cookie powder that will serve as the base for our scones. So, using a cookie cutter which you can get from Walmart, start cutting pastry and lightly placing each portion in cookie powder before placing it in a lightly greased baking tray. You can also use baking sheets. Remember that your oven should be at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and ready. This little but important process should be done before you start mixing all the ingredients. If you forget, not a problem. Just turn it on and wait for it to reach 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your scones at this temperature for 45 minutes or until golden brown. Alright, so this is how your scones should look, straight from the oven, smelling so good and looking so delicious. Alright, so now to top it up, I use Hershey's strawberry syrup to drizzle over the scones. Just love the pattern it creates, plus it tastes so good, adding something sweet to your scones. You can also enjoy them with butter and jam, plus a good cup of tea or coffee. Oh, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Muta's Soul Kitchen. See you next time.